Well, here is my sister preparing the coffee. This is how we prepare our coffee.
We have a different type of. I'm going to show you right now what we use back home. This right here. I don't know, maybe some of you guys are familiar with this. I don't know, for some reason I heard it's like Italian. There's from Italy or something like that.
European or something.
Yeah, exactly. These things are standard, right? So they fit any kind.
This one is this coffee maker is from 1 to 4 cups. The 4-cup one. Look, it's right here.
Yes.
You can see this 4 cups. So I bought this one, but I'm not using them yet because we're gonna use this.
Yeah.
So we can finish it.
And personally, I like this one because they cover more. The thing right there. You can see it.
There you go. This is this brand, but you can't get any brand.
Yeah.
This is good though.
Yeah. Okay. This is how I do a dump some. Like a spoon. We drop a little bit, not much, because I'm gonna put a little more later.
Okay, now next is the coffee, ground coffee.
Yeah. We get Bustelo or Pilam. So you grab 1, 2, because this is for me and my sister, so we don't have visitors right now. So okay, this is enough. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cinnamon again, okay, and drop some more powder. Let's do. Okay, so everything is blended. And our coffee is done. So we're gonna serve. As you see, it has a particular color. If you can see, like brown. It smells so good. So here it is. This is how we make our coffee.